Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is 21st of October and me with a few of my rider friends, we were on a group ride towards Ramgarh, and suddenly while we were on the way, my tire burst or puncture, whatever, it's upon you to decide. But basically there was a big rupture in the tire as well as the tube. In this video I will be telling you what to do when something like this happens on the highway or when you're on a ride. Wait till the end of the video because there I'll be telling you how you can avoid having such incidents while on your ride. So an hour into the ride and around 15 kilometers away from Ranchi, suddenly this happened. And luckily there was a truck or a car tire repair shop nearby where we just stopped and we got our tire fixed. First you have to deflate. Oh, actually we had a puncture, so the tube itself was deflated, so we have to take out the tube. And then file the area where your puncture is so that the area gets a little rough. And then you have to paste a puncture repair patch over there. And then you just have to check and see if the pasting is correct or not, and that's how you repair the tube. But I also had a rupture in the tire, which means if the tire isn't repaired, then there's a chance of puncture or tire burst again during the return ride. So what we had to do is put another truck tube piece inside the tire so that it gives some support and some time so that I can reach back home. Now the degree of tear which I had, the final permanent solution is to get the tube and the tire replaced, which I'll be doing in the later half of the day or the week. Probably this is what must have hit my tire, and it's not just punctured, it has actually torn, it has actually damaged the tire as well as the tube. So I was really lucky that a few of my senior cycle riding partners were there with me who helped me get rid of this issue, and really I'm really glad that they were there. So these riders also usually carry some spare parts along with them, but me being an amateur rider, I don't carry anything. Another thing that happened to my luck, that my puncture happened right in front of a puncture repair shop, which might also be a conspiracy that these guys, the puncture repair guys, they spread nails across the area where the shop is to attract more vulnerable customers. What we cycle riders usually do is ride to the extreme left side of the lane, which is also the area where the dust, nails, dirt all the muck of the road gets brushed by the tires of the cars and the trucks and everything. So there's a huge risk when we are riding on the left side that a nail or a sharp stone might hurt our tires. That is what happened with me. You should try to carry a spare tube always in your long rides. You should know the correct size that your tube and tire are. Mine is a 27.5-inch wheel, and I did not carry any spare parts. That was how I got saved by a guerrilla way of tire puncture repair. I hope this video helps. If it does, then please share it with your friends, rider friends, and do subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Bye.